Today we are opening up some Num Nums, Shopkins, and
more Shopkins
Little Pet Shop.
My Little Pet Shop.
So today we got the owner's manual for My Little Pet Shop. And then
not My Little Pet Shop, but Shopkins.
Yeah, Shopkins. And then we have 4 carrier bags. So let's get started. Oh, this is gonna be so exciting. We have some blind bags and some holders. So now let's get started. They're sort of hard to open.
Oh.
You can get them at Walmart.
What do you got there?
We have Susie Q, one of the cutest animals in My Little Pet Shop here. She is really adorable. As you can see, she comes with a giant boot and a little bow. So adorable.
This is My Little
Okay, I might need the scissors. Like this.
Here, you can use mine.
One snip.
Yeah, you can use mine. It's easier.
All I need is one snip.
I'm gonna open up
Okay, I got it.
Next.
I got an ice cream. Let's see who. Look how cute she is. Let's see who is she.
This is the Num Nums collection.
Food fair. Oh, she probably is in the food fair section.
This is the other Num Nums, and this is the other Num Nums.
So wait a minute, which one did you get? Oh, you have to open up the blind bag.
Num Nums.
Okay, so I got Ice Cream Dream. She's common. So let's put the Shopkins up front. OMG, Jazzy, look!
I got a Num Num.
What is it?
I don't know.
Awesome, and I got a happy birthday cake.
This is so cute.
Let's see here.
I need help.
I think she's a glow in the dark. Let me see. No, she's not a glow in the dark. But look how sparkly she is. Let's just say that. Just look at this. She's like.
Why is this the
She is.
Can't cut it.
I can't. I don't really know. All right. So
I want to open up this for me.
Awesome. Let's see who she is. Wait, which one is she?
Oh, it came with this one. I don't know what.
Oh, that's like a cupcake. Is this like slime?
No.
Or a lip gloss?
These come with. Okay, we got the orange one.
I'll make a hole.
We got her.
Whoa, she's sort of squishy. Look how cute she is.
Okay, this is mine.
I want to do game show hands. So we got 2 Shopkins.
So she is a stamp.
She's
a small stamp.
All right,
and
so
it comes
now,
with her.
OMG, wait, OMG.
This can smell. My sister, do you want to smell it?
Ooh, she smells like cupcakes and ponies and pretty things that make me want to throw up. Sorry. Why? That's pretty mean.
And it goes like this, I think.
What's that face?
And so I got the orange stamp and
What are this?
this cupcake. So
There we go. Got it. Yay, I got 2 in mine.
whatever. I'll just keep on moving on.
Let's see which one we got.
She looks cute. She smells really cute too.
Wait, she smells cute?
Yes.
Awkward. So there's a list of all the possible things. It's really
My
long.
scissors. Where are my scissors? Okay.
Right there. And now we got
Can't
another
cut
blind bag.
I
So
think I can wrap it. Nope. But
yeah, you just need to make one little hole. Let's make one little hole and then you
I
can
got
open
it.
Alright, so now. Awesome, I got barbecue. Let's see which one she is. Because I got a barbecue.
Here's it.
I don't really know, but she's awesome.
Shopkins backpacks.
Shopkins backpacks.
And then this is a list.
There's a small list.
Ooh.
One more blind bag. Look, we
Yes.
got little blind bags. Blind bag. What, sisters?
I'm gonna put this back in here. That
why are
behind
these so
you.
hard to open?
Oh, you have to use your scissors.
No, I'm using my teeth.
Where are my...
Teeth are meant
Special.
to chew, talk, and also to open things. So also that's why scissors were invented.
I got a charm.
Oh wait, oh you got
Aw.
cupcake charm. Yay! To all you soccer fans, here comes
Here's my
Sports
next
Star.
blind bag.
Sports soccer thing.
I'm gonna set...
Look how cute they are, the little family.
And then where's my special scissors?
And then here's the
These
list.
open... Mommy! These open really good with...
Oh
these
wait, you got
scissors.
the other sports star. Hey, look, we're the sports sisters. Whee!
Then she came in
Here's another
this
list.
new backpack.
Oh, other
Wait.
way.
Wait,
There are so much full.
I don't know their names yet.
Can I add more? Any more that I?
Floria?
Sorry.
So I got in the charms.
All right.
I have. And is this it? I have a cupcake charm. Cupcake charm.
Awesome. That's so cool.
And then, what's this?
I'm
for?
jelly. Oh wait, I have an idea that all of our things could hang out and
Soccer. It's a soccer ball, but what's its name? Sadie soccer ball. I got the other one. My sister got the purple one. Time to open up this one. Now how I think takes a while. Come on, open up already. Okay,
I'm back. All right, so now what?
okay.
Pool party in your room, Jesse.
Okay, they feel weird. Don't know what they are. So, my scissors. Want that? Got it. Oh, I have this one. What's its name? What's its name? What's its name? Oh. Where is it? Wait. Did it come with the list? Whatever, I could always use this one. So, what's your name? What's her name? Here it is. Where is it? I can't find it. There's his list. Okay. So we're gonna check it. And this list. Don't know why I checked that list. That was a crazy idea. How do we open this? Okay. Gonna set it down. Okay, I think I got this. Mommy, pause. So So where is it? I think I know which one it is. It is right. I lost it. It is right here, and it is Cherry Top, or whatever its name is. And then we have another flying bag where I can't find. Where is it? Is this it? No. So it already has a little hole. Don't know. Okay, and I got, oh, this looks like a cute one. Okay, what name is this one? Is it on this side? Nope, it's probably on the other side. So it is. I can't find it. Where is it? It's not on that side. It's not on this side. Oh, I think it's right here. It is Mucky Roll 1. Okay. That was a cute name. I like it. And there's my stuff. And bye. Well, I'm gonna stand these up like this. Oh, I don't know her name yet, so her name is, we have the cat and the shoe. It is this one. Her name is, we don't know her name. It doesn't show her name. So it doesn't go, wait, Mommy. It doesn't go like this. It goes like this. And then we put the bow on here. And that's, it's kind of hard to let her stay in it. So I'm just gonna leave it in the front. And bye. Bye-bye.